Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great travel trailer value from Parkway RV Center. Today we're looking at a 2004 Fleetwood Caravan Micro Lite 25BH. This is a 26-foot long ultralight travel trailer. It's self-contained, all factory holding tanks. It's in excellent condition. Folks, these used to be formerly known as Coleman Caravans. These are a very high quality, lightweight camper, all aluminum frame. It's got the fiberglass exterior. Folks, look at the striping and finish. No delamination. Everything's nice and clean. Striping's not peeling. I mean, this is a very, very nice camper for the year model and the price. Folks, this 26-foot long camper only weighs 4,600 pounds. So this is something you can tow with a family SUV like a Ford Explorer, Toyota 4Runner, or similar vehicles. Only 4,600 pounds, very lightweight, but it's still a good sized camper, and it's got a great family sleeping floor plan. Tires look great, folks. It's got the large patio awning, the stabilizer jacks, it's got the outside auxiliary shower. Don't think we're going to keep this one long at all. Let's take a look inside. It also has the DSI water heater. So you flip a button and you got hot water. Folks, inside this RV is really almost like new condition. I mean, great shape, no signs of leaks or leak damage, folks. There's no smoke, no pet odors, and we guarantee everything to work. We've got a private front bedroom, and I like this because most ultralights just have a little flimsy curtain to separate the bedroom from the rest of the RV. This has actually got a solid sliding privacy door. And unlike other ultralights, this unit's also got the ducted roof air, so you can distribute the air evenly throughout the entire coach, even with the doors closed. Folks, up here in the front bedroom, got a queen island bed. Notice it still has the original factory bedding in like new condition. It's got the high intensity reading lamps. Upgrade cabinetry, plenty of windows, nightstands, little mini closets, and you got storage up here as well. And this is also a place you can put a little TV in. And we're going to step back toward the back. Here in the living area, you've got a table booth that makes a bed, and you've got 2 bunks as well. So this RV can actually sleep 6 people. Got side kitchen with all the appliances, double stainless sink, microwave, range top and oven. It's got the 2-way RV refrigerator freezer, like as I said before, the ducted air. We guarantee everything to work perfectly. Got a little flip down TV for the kids right here in the 2 bunks. I mean, really a great floor plan for only a 26-foot camper. You got a little pantry right here. And this is what I really like about this RV, folks, is the size of the rear bathroom, RV toilet. Of course, you got your sink and vanity. But look at the size of this tub. I mean, I've never seen a 26-foot camper with this size tub and shower before. It does have the skylight, but this is almost a house-sized tub. So if you've got small kids, this is definitely a necessity, something you can give your kids a bath in, almost the size of the one you have in your own home. So that's a really cool feature. Like I said, you get all this camper, everything's guaranteed to work. Only 4,600 pounds. Like I said, you can virtually tow this with about any mid-size tow vehicle, V6 tow vehicle, no problem. Man, I've got a V6 Ford Ranger I could tow this camper with without any problem anywhere in the country. So, great condition, great price, only $89.95, and that's everything guaranteed to work. And if you're interested in this this Fleetwood Caravan, give us a call, 706-965-7929, or evenings and Sundays, you can call us at 423-605-6747. You can also see pictures of this RV on our website, parkwayrvcenter.com. Well, folks, now we have over 90 quality pre-owned RVs at the best prices around. And folks, let me tell you a little bit about us. We're one of the oldest used RV dealerships in the country. We've been in business 45 years, since 1968. We sell 15 to 20% of our inventory each and every week because we have the lowest prices and cleanest RVs in the country. And I'm serious about that, because people drive thousands of miles every week to buy RVs from us. Folks, we can deliver RVs as well. You know, we have 4 drivers on the road 24/7 picking up and delivering RVs all over the country. I've sold 45 out of 50 states. I've sold well over 1,000 RVs to Canadian buyers. I've also sold RVs to Italy, England, and even Australia, folks, because people, even with the transportation cost, we're selling these things cheaper than anybody else, and these are clean RVs too. Everything's guaranteed to work. So we've been in business 45 years just because we have the lowest prices in the country, and we have generations of people buying RVs from us. The whole family's been buying from us for 3 generations. So not going to beat our deals. You're not going to beat our clean RVs. I don't care if you live in California, if you live in New York State, Washington State, we're going to save you money on a used RV no matter what. And like I said, folks, we offer discount nationwide delivery at cost. And what I mean by that, folks, our drivers will deliver this RV right to your driveway, and all you have to pay for is pay for our driver's time, his wage, and pay for his fuel. That's it. We make no profit on delivery. We deliver RVs all the time for half what these shipping companies charge, because we just charge you enough to cover our expenses. Nothing more. Not a penny more than what it cost us to bring it to you. We have great financing, folks. You don't even have to be here to get it financed. We can arrange financing without you being here. Long terms, if you want 7, 8, 9 year financing, we can arrange that if you've got good credit. Low interest rates, we can get you a 5-year loan at 3% interest rates with approved credit. You're not going to beat that anywhere in town. I'm going to tell you, folks, we also offer, like I said, our delivery. We got the great financing, and we charge no extra fees of any kind. Parkway RV Center does not charge a dock fee or a prep fee or a dealer fee, a get-ready fee, or any other kind of these bogus add-on sales fees. All these fees these big dealers try to charge you after you make the deal are 100% dealer profit, and you don't pay a dime in extra fees at Parkway RV Center. So here it is, folks, a 2004 Fleetwood Caravan 25 BH Micro Lite. Only $89.95, not going to last long. Give us a call, drop us an email, or better yet, come down to Ringo, Georgia. Check us out in person. You're going to love the way we do business, and you're going to love our customer service and our low, low prices. And make sure if you come down, you tell them Big Bo sent you. Thank you for watching.